Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to see if we can cook these little babies in the Ninja air fryer. So we're going to be using the Ninja Health Grill. It has an air fry function there. It has roast, dehydrate, bake and grill. But we're going to use the air fryer function and we're going to cook some fried eggs. Now I'm going to use this sort of baking tray, round one. It's only about £2 out of the supermarket, non-stick. And that's what we're going to be cooking the eggs in. So we're going to put this tray into the air fryer and we're going to close the lid. We're going to turn him on and we're going to go air fry, and time we're going to put it for 4 minutes. Start. Now that's going to heat up the air fry, ready for the food. Once that's heated up a little bit, I'm going to put some oil, some spray vegetable oil in that tray, reclose the lid, and when it gets up to temperature, that should be nice and sizzling, ready for the eggs. Okay, it's the preheat's almost halfway. If you don't have a preheat function, don't worry, just put it in for a couple of minutes on air fry mode. But I'm just going to spray some of this vegetable oil spray. There it is. I'm going to spray a little bit of that into this baking tray. There we go. Let's close the lid and wait for the add food. Okay, so the add food has come on. Let's get these eggs in. So we're going to open up the air fryer and we're going to crack our eggs into the tray. I'm going to put 3 in there. Now, I know the channel's Stephen Vegan, and eggs aren't vegan, but this isn't for me, this is my daughter who isn't plant-based, and so this is her dinner for tonight, egg and chips. So the eggs are in the tray now. Just going to shut the lid and let the machine do all the work. And there we are, time's nearly up. Let's see how they're doing. Look at those, let's get those on a plate. And there we go, fried eggs in the air fryer. Let's see how runny they are. Yep, that's about perfect. Absolutely perfect. That one's a little bit harder, but those two over there are very good. So we're going to dish up some chips for my daughter, and I think she's going to love these eggs. Why not give it a try? Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit that button. Lots more content coming up with air fryers and soup makers. And please hit the like button as well if you enjoyed the video. It really does help the channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.